What the hell's the point of that? We all have a map.
Why you hang
in the game?
Tim,
Summit.
tell me where this is at.
Hey, dude, can you see this? I'm not sure where I need to go.
Hey, Summit, since you're the captain, will you hang this on the fridge? I made it.
Hey, Smokey, can you get your map out? Does it look like this?
What does yours look like, Smokey? Is it different?
Smokey, get your map out. Oh, yours looks like this too. Okay, so all of our maps.
Wait. Hey, wait, Summit's different?
Why
No,
is
I think
this
Summit's
in
is the same.
Why
Summit's
is
the
this in
same.
game? Man, everyone got this map, right? Okay.
Hey,
The first thing I want you to do, Summit, is I want you to clean the inside of this cannon for me, sir. Get into the tip of the cannon, sir. Just get in
You're
there.
out of your goddamn mind.
Just get
Going
into
in
it.
there.
Just
No,
Summit,
no.
just get into it. Trust me.
We're not going in the cannon.
Summit, get in the tip of the cannon.
Climb into cannon. No.
Summit,
You're
now.
gonna shoot me somewhere. I'll be lost, man.
Okay, cannabis, into the front of the cannon, please. I don't know how you're gonna fit, but make it work. Front of the cannon. Into the front. Just look at the front of it and get inside of the front. There you go. Get in now.
I'm in.
All right.
I'll have my revenge. Don't worry.
That's fucked up. How do we get him?
Ah, fuck, dude.
Okay, that wasn't even close.
He's outplaying the shit.
Might be able to mute on the others.
God damn it, C's, you're not gonna catch a ship.
Yes, I am, bro. Don't tell me I'm not catching.
We did it successfully, yeah.
We T-bone someone and blow these up, chat. This might just fuck on someone. Hey, so I'm dead.
Shorty, come down here, baby girl.
You come to the crow's nest with me, man.
Oh, God. I'm coming up, man.
It's better when I'm the base.
Yeah.
Is this thing still fucking crying?
Yep.
Yeah, you'll hear it stop. Wait, you can't hear it while it's on your back?
Yeah, no, I hear it. Sounds like Summit 20 minutes ago.
Hey, listen, man. I'm just saying, you promised top tier. You.
I'm going to get it.
What the fuck?
You get it by lightning?
Bro, not only did I get hit by lightning, I got hit by lightning with the gun barrel in my hand and I died.
I can't.
I don't know, man. I feel like...
Oh my god.
What?
Yo, C's, check your money right now.
No. Oh, wait, what happened? Nothing happened.
Why'd you just scream then?
Rag, why are you lying to me, man?
What do you mean, why you lying?
Scream.
Yo, I bought my clothing and I lost my money. I'm at 191. I lost my money for buying that clothing and I didn't get it.
Rag, come on, you ready, baby?
Yeah, I'm putting anchor up. I'm putting anchor up. I just got fucking struck by lightning. I need emotional support right now.
Whoa, we're ready. Oh! Whoa!
Shit!
Rag!
Bro, are you good? Are you good?
Let's go, yeah, I just got struck,
Let's
bro.
go.
It's like, we need to go get materials. What the fuck? Who's driving? Okay, never mind. We're anchored, right?
No, I don't think we're anchored.
We're not anchored. So,
Arrow's
who's
behind
driving
us in
ship
the water.
then? Okay, we're gonna have to repair ship here, boys.
No, we're
never mind,
not.
we're
No,
good,
we're not.
actually.
You're dealing with
Not too bad.
a proper captain.
Are we getting these guys? Are we getting these guys or what?